Hey everybody, Justin Sainer here. I've got a great video for you today. I'm going to be showing you how to maximize profits by using AI to price your products. This is an incredibly powerful video. You're going to be able to make money just by implementing what I'm going to teach you here. And it's all about making more money by manipulating pricing. And this is exactly how to do it the right way. And it's really important to understand that pricing plays a huge role in your profits. Of course, we have to have prices for every product. But the question is, do you have the right price? Are you charging the right price for your product? Because you need to find the perfect combination between high conversion rate and highest profit margin. Basically, what I'm saying is you need to be able to charge the most that you can without turning away your customers. You don't want people saying, oh, it's too expensive. You want to find the best combination of people buying your product at a high rate and having or charging the highest you can in order to maximize your profit margin. And up until now, it's very hard to do that. But a very popular strategy is to use PRIYA's AI to automatically test and find the optimal prices for all of the products in your Shopify store. It's incredibly powerful. I'm going to show you more over the shoulder. But if you want to implement this, there are some pain points that you might run into when it comes to pricing. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You need to use an app. I'm going to show you the app that I use, and I'm going to show you how super easy it is to use the app. You don't want to find any app that needs coding or requires you to be a programmer or a developer or anything like that. Super easy to use. But really, most importantly, the app must leverage AI to automatically update product pricing to maximize sales and to maximize your profit margins. And in fact, this app can do it up to every hour. And that's why you're going to use PRIYA. That's why I use PRIYA. Highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. It's really, really powerful because it's all about using AI here to understand what the best price is for you to charge for the products in your store. And again, you see the link directly below this video. I'm going to show you the site over here. And it's by far the most advanced pricing AI out here because it analyzes millions, literally millions of data points to automatically price your products for maximum revenue, maximum efficiency, maximum conversion rate. And you see, of course, it integrates with Shopify, but also integrates with JavaScript, Carts, Wix, Squarespace. And it's all about connecting to your store and updating pricing. It's going to do it automatically for you. It's going to understand the optimal price at every hour. It's going to really understand based on data points and based on the AI that's going to understand your store, your products, and find that optimal price. It's not just for one product or your top selling product. It's for all of your products all the time. And this is why this is just so powerful. PRIYA is going to help you make more money because it's going to learn and understand what price to charge customers. It's literally that simple. The AI does all of the hard work of the strategy I was describing, right? It's all real time. You can track everything in the dashboard and see price changes and really most importantly, see those sales changes, seeing the increase in there because you're going to see 73% better price efficiency than humans setting prices. I mean, of course, that's the power of AI, right? So many more data points that we'll be able to see. And the bottom line is optimal pricing over here. It doesn't matter what you're selling. You'll find that optimal price to increase conversion rate and make more sales, right? And that's the whole idea here. And you see some of the massive, massive, massive companies here in terms of product and consumer behavior data. Coca-Cola, Adobe, Nike, you see the big brands right over here. And you see this link directly below the video. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. There's over 250 brands using it, over 800 million data points, and most importantly to you as a store owner, $3.5 million in additional revenue generated. Right? That's not new products. That's not more advertising. That's not upselling or cross-selling. That's from pricing products correctly. $3.5 million in additional revenue generated and counting, because price optimization is that powerful. And that's why this video exists, right? That's why this has been so powerful for me. And now we're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. All you need to do is press the Try PRIYA button. Very easy to get connected. Come over here and sign in if you already have an existing account. But we're going to come over here and sign up with Shopify. really easy. We're just going to copy in our My Shopify domain name over here. We're going to come over and get this from our Shopify store. Simply paste that right in, click continue. This is going to bring us back over into our Shopify store, where we'll then simply click the install button. This will grant permissions for the app to be installed. Very, very simple. You don't need to do any code or anything like that. Now it's going to come and check the connection status. It's going to allow us to create our account here. Then we'll go ahead and select our plan. Really depends on how many products you're going to have inside of your store and if you need that API. So we'll come over here, select our plan. You get a 3-day free trial with this plan as well. And then you'll simply just approve and be able to go in here. So you get that 3-day free trial to try everything out. I'm going to log back into my other account where you'll see some existing information. I can show you what's going on. Now I'm inside my PRIYA dashboard, and you're going to see a couple things on the top over here. Your connected site, here's your Shopify site, your connection status, showing active, and then the learning status. This is really cool. You can come over here and learn more about this. But this is the status of kind of how much data is being collected in the AI and what it's learning. And you see it's in the learning phase, eventually gets to the evaluating and optimizing phase. And the longer that you have this installed, the more information you're going to get. So this is really kind of something that you'll see progress. And the great thing about this is that the sales price changes are going to change and get smarter as this status progresses. So really cool. But this is going to be where you're kind of doing all of the magic or seeing everything here in the product section. Here you could always resync your products from Shopify, but what's going to happen is you're going to be able to pull all of your products from Shopify, and you see that there's little toggles over here. This allows us to turn it on or off in terms of doing price optimization. And what we're able to see is, of course, the current price, but also any sales changes that we've been doing in terms of seeing any upticks by changing our pricing. And that's kind of the name of the game. The AI is going to work here and figure out what are we going to do to get this high sales change? What can we change the price to still maintain our profit margins and our high conversion rate? But we want to increase it, right? So we'll do little tests. And again, if you were doing this by hand, right, even if you didn't have any errors by manually changing all these prices, it would take you forever and then even longer to track, right? Everything happens automatically here in this dashboard. Really, really powerful. And let's say we didn't want this product to be optimized. We could simply just turn it off. I'm going to close this because I want to keep it enabled. But you'd be able to disable or turn off some products. And if you had multiple pages of products, of course, you'd be able to come through and click next, or you could even search through products if you have a really big catalog. You just want to go and find a specific product. Now, on the product information side of things, you can click View Data, right? And what we're going to be able to see here is some information about price efficiency, price history, right? And if we take a look back, we could even look back into different dates and see if there were any history here, we would actually see it. And this is going to be really useful in the future as you have this installed further. So let's say we get down 6 months down the line, you come over, you can take a look and say, okay, well, I have all these great products and I can come and look at the historical data. I could set floor prices in terms of what is my absolute lowest that the price will ever reach, right? And let's say you want to have pricing be played around with, but you'll never sell it for less than $30. No problem. You literally set the floor price. And of course, each product has the ability to set the floor price and see the price history by date. And you don't need to have a floor price. If you don't, they will have full control, they being the AI, having full control. But I'll come over here and set a $30 price floor over here. And it's really as simple as doing that when it comes to having everything set up and having full control over letting the AI take power under your constraints and your requirements. And again, you have full transparency, so you can just go back in the history and select a date and see what the prices were and see how things are changing. And of course, most importantly, doing everything that you can to increase this number here, increasing your sales, right? That's the bottom line. So billing over here, you'd be able to go and access your plan, change your plan, update your plan. Settings, of course, same thing with your email and your password, and log out, pretty self-explanatory. Really, it's the AI working in the background here, right? That's why it's just so powerful. You come in here as the admin, the store owner, you see what's going on, you say, you know what, I think that, this sleeveless racerback, we've found the right price. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn this off, right? So you see this is turned off. You'll be able to turn it back on if you want. Just come back over here and enable it. So full control, right? Floor prices, right? We never want this one to ever go below, let's say, I'll change it. I'll put 28, Okay, $28 is the lowest we'd ever go. We'd obviously like to sell it for more, right? Right now we're selling it for almost $31. So you're seeing here, you know, and the longer this runs, the more data it collects, the smarter it's going to be. Really revolutionary, and you're seeing it right here over the shoulder. So that was PRIYA. As you could see, super powerful, highly recommended. Get this in your store. Leverage that AI. It's going to absolutely change your game when it comes to e-commerce and your product pricing. You're going to have those fully optimized pricing at every hour across every product in your store. So highly recommended. Again, link directly below this video. Hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.